Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to another video, and in this particular video I'm gonna talk about a new device which has been arrived in the Galaxy series, and pretty much this is going to be the first ever device which is gonna come in the F series moniker. And the Galaxy F41 is the first device in the F series, and it's going to be pretty much similar with the Galaxy M31 and M31s in terms of design. Probably you can say it is going to be present in the middle of both the devices. And honestly speaking, there are some other A series devices which are pretty much looking same like the Galaxy F41. But anyhow, this is a new series that Samsung has launched, and in this series we are going to see some of the spec sheet which is coming in an affordable price tag. So in this video I'm going to talk about the spec sheet, and based on that spec sheet I will give my opinion whether this device is going to be worth a buying or not. So starting from the display, well, the display of the device is going to be coming with a Super AMOLED 6.4-inch display with a water drop notch in the top center of the device, and it is coming with a 1080p resolution. It's going to be coming with a 420 nits of brightness, and along with that the front is coming with a 32 megapixel of selfie camera which can record 4K videos, and the edges on the top and the sides are pretty much slim, and we see a small chin on the bottom of the device. On the back side, well, we have a triple camera setup on the back side with a main camera sensor of 64 megapixel sensor and 8 megapixel of ultra wide and a 5 megapixel of depth sensor camera in a square camera bump, and with an LED flashlight support. It can also record 4K videos at 30 frames per second, and no optical image stabilization is available. Internally, the device is coming with Exynos 9611, and I personally think that this chipset must be changed in the mid-range category devices, because we are seeing a list of devices in the A series and M series which are coming with pretty much similar kind of chipset inside, and honestly I wanted to have an upgraded processor since Samsung is launching this new series. So I was expecting that Samsung must include a new Snapdragon maybe, or MediaTek, or any other new chipset in their devices. Anyhow, moving on towards the internal storage and RAM, we are getting a 6 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs and 128 gigs of internal storage with a UFS 2.1 as a storage option. It's also coming with a dedicated micro SD card slot, which is a good option for all you guys who wanted to have an extra storage option available. In terms of battery, it is coming with a massive 6000 milliamp of a battery capacity with a fast charging support of 15 watt. So the battery is good. I'm not complaining about that. If you are an average user who wanted to have a battery capacity which can last you around 2 days, then this is good for you. There is also going to be a fingerprint scanner on the back side, and you will have the option for USB Type-C and 3.5mm headphone jack. A down-firing speaker also available inside the device. So lastly, it's going to be the price. Well, it's going to be around about $190 or $200 of a price tag, depends upon the storage option you will choose. So overall, if I give my opinion about the device, well, I personally think that this device is going to be good option for all those guys who wanted a device with a massive battery inside, and also with decent cameras inside the device. And if you are not a power user or gaming is not your option, then go for this device, because in such a price tag category you will find a best display, a better battery capacity, and a decent camera sensor. So that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thought. What do you think about the Galaxy F41? Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.